Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to Automate Passive Income YouTube channel. This channel brings you the latest and greatest tips and tricks to make passive income by automating the task. Today I will show you how to generate voice from text for free. Like the voice I am using for this video, English Matthew male voice. With this method you can convert 3,000 characters for free. If you want unlimited you have to generate multiple MP3 files. First go to my Github page, link is in the description. To run this code, you have to download and install latest version of Python and VS Code. All the necessary links are on Github page in the README file. After installing, go to GitHub repository, click code and download the zip. Unzip the download file into a folder, right-click on the folder and open with VS Code. As you can see, there are two Python files in this. TTS-live and TTS-save. So if you want to just play the voice, you can use TTS-live file. In line 4, whatever you type this code will play back to you. In this example text is, "Hi, how are you?" You can replace this text to any text you want. If you want to save the file as MP3 you can use TTS-save Python file. I have made some changes here. You can type whatever you need to convert in the text.txt file. This file will generate audio and save as file 0.mp3, so if you need more text to convert, just delete text in text.txt file and type again. Next file will be file 1.mp3. This way you can convert unlimited text into speech. You have to install required libraries. Copy the code from GitHub. Go to Terminal and New Terminal. In the terminal paste the code. Pip install r requirements.txt. Now you can run the code, click on play icon. In this both files, when you run the code it will ask to make your choice 1 to 5. You have to enter the choice with keyboard and press enter.
1 is Joey male.
2 is Justin male.
3 is Matthew male.
4 is Sally female.
5 is Joanna female.
6 is Ivy female.
As you can see you can get 6 voices with this. If you want just one voice like I am using you can edit the code. Find the line says setup voice next to AM type comma and voice number. In my case it's 3. This way you don't have to input your choice every time you run the code. In conclusion, creating text-to-speech using Python is a fantastic way to automate tasks and save time. There are some companies offer this, but it's not free. Not only this is cost-effective, but it's also a great way to produce high-quality audio content without spending a lot of money. In this video, we've demonstrated how to create unlimited text-to-speech free with Python. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily create your own text-to-speech program and save time and money in the process. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll receive notifications about our upcoming videos, where we'll cover more topics related to passive income, automation, and programming. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.